I'm gonna put now some sequences to decorate it. Not too many, but just a little bit. Okay. Since it's a boy, I don't want to put too many girlish colors in it. Just going to decorate it a little bit. We can add a little bit more decoration by using the same petal shape that we used for the other flowers to decorate, and just stick them gently around. When you have a color that is already in the whole vase, it just makes everything combine nicely together. That's why I'm using the same color as some of the flowers in the vase. And I'm gonna put the sequence on each. Of course, you can make it richer, you can make it with more colorful, more different decorating materials like beads, strings, anything you can think of. And this is our flower.